Hello, in class 7 we have all have discussed about our natural environment and biological environment and the physical environment, and today we are discuss about the major domains of the environment. There are four different major domains of environment, that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and the biosphere. We have to learn these domains. There are four types: the litho, atmosphere, hydro and the biosphere. Let me see about lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the outermost layer. Outermost solid layer of the earth consists of rock, matter and soil. Simple. It is called uh, crust of the earth also. If we can ask what is crust of the earth, then you can simple reply the same answer. The lithosphere is the outermost solid layer of the earth consisting of rock, matter and soil. It extends over the continents as well as the oceans. Same as well as the ocean basins. It extends over the continents, all continents, Africa, Australia, America, Asia, all the continents. About 17% of the total area of lithosphere covered with water. 71% of the total area of lithosphere is covered with water, and the remaining 29 occupied by land. 29% occupied by land. The topmost surface of the lithosphere consists of variety of rocks and minerals which are useful to us. That is the most thing in the lithosphere. First point, that is solid layer. Second point, that is outermost layer. Third point, it consists of variety of rocks and minerals. What is uses lithosphere also provide us with land for various uses and soil for agriculture. Okay, let me see about it bit. May you know the three states of water are solid, liquid and gas. Simple, that is. Next, the next domain of the environment is hydrosphere. The hydrosphere consists of all form of the water on earth. That sphere in which the all form of water on earth is called the hydrosphere. Hydro means water. Hydro means water, and the sphere means covering it. The ocean, seas, lakes, rivers, streams, waterfalls, water vapor, glacier, ice, snow, all the part of the hydrosphere, because all these examples have the some amount or the large amount of the quantity of the water. Then it's called the hydrosphere. Once again, we can say that hydro means water. The rivers and the oceans are source of the food and animals. Yes, we know that. Rivers and oceans are source of the food of animals and also allow transportation on their surface. We may actually use the various type of the hydrosphere. Such a case, we can take the food, we can the minerals, we can have the metals, non-metal, is a lot of extra things, and also transportation on their surface basis, such as ships, water transportation. Okay. Besides, we know how important water is our daily life. Yes. We need water for domestic use, farm need water, their crops, industries need water for maintaining. In our daily life, various use of the water in every moment of the life. Next domain of the environment is atmosphere. The word atmosphere has been derived by the Greek word. Atmosphere word derived from the Greek word. That means vapors. And sphaera, which means sphere means covering area. Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. If we can ask what the definition, how can you define the atmosphere, then simply you can reply atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the Earth. It is a mixture of different gases around the Earth, like thin blanket of air. It is a mixture of different gases. It protects us from the harmful solar radiation. If we can ask what are the uses of the atmosphere, then you can simply reply it protects us from the harmful solar radiation, such ultraviolet rays, at the scorching heat of the sun. In next video, we will discuss about a single domain and a lot of sphere, the biospheric part.